tension, resentment, frustration, performance management, or support, champion, sponsor, biggest fan. You've probably been on both sides at some point with your boss or leader. Today, we're going to get you firmly on the side that gets you there faster. And it starts with emotional intelligence. And that can be categorized into 4 buckets. Number 1, self-awareness. Number 2, self-management. Number 3, social awareness. And number 4, relationship management. You will need acute self-management and relationship management to effectively use your leader or boss to get there faster. Self-management can be defined as being able to control your emotions and behaviors, actions, and your ability to adapt. Even if the situation elicits anger, disappointment, frustration, or fear, are you able to tune in and get what you need to deliver results? Then digest what triggered your emotions to address in a way that will actually solve the problem. Do you know when you need support on a project from your boss? Are you able to ask for what you need? This is all a part of self-management and vital to a solid relationship with your boss to get you there faster. Next, relationship management. That can be defined as active listening, asking questions, setting clear expectations, recognizing emotions in others, communicating your leadership style clearly for understanding, authenticity in communication, praise, feedback, and concerns. All of these things support an exceptional relationship with you and your boss or leader. Notice, many of these are things you would also want from your leader or boss. And sometimes you will have to set an example for your boss if you want to get there faster. But as we say at the 5-Minute Career Hack, that's a whole other podcast. Let us know in the comments or in the reviews if you want an episode on that one. Now that we have the 2 main pillars for emotional intelligence that you must incorporate in your relationship with your boss, here are 4 hacks that you must possess at your core. That's COAR in every email, meeting, interaction, touch base, and evaluation with your boss. Number 1, the C is for communicate. It starts with communication in the interview process early on, understanding what your boss is looking for in the position, understanding their communication style, whether that's email, text, DM, phone call, face-to-face meeting, communicating your desired ways to be led. That communication extends to the onboarding process. You must communicate a clear understanding of what you should learn during your training if you are getting that or need more support before you're accountable for the role. Number 2, the O stands for own it. You either meet the expectation or you miss the expectation. You just need to own it. And get in position by repeating these hacks to ensure you hit your target the next time. Making excuses or blaming others openly or inwardly will cost you your credibility and possibly your job. No one executes everything 100% of the time perfectly, but it's how you handle the missteps, mistakes, and failures to meet objectives that often get you there faster. Number 3, the A stands for alignment. Now you are in role. Have the priorities changed for your boss? What's the important thing that they want to deliver on? Are you consistently doing temperature checks to make sure that what you're doing aligns with your boss's priorities and the company targets? You could be working extra hard on something that frankly doesn't even matter to your boss or the organization, but is simply something that you value or deem important. It's better to get alignment than to waste time. Number 4, the R stands for receipts. Keep your brag notes, track your performance weekly, and always have them ready to present, confirm via email, and share via touch base and evaluation. Just let them know you are on top of it. They often lead others, including their own performance. Chances are they need to be reminded to keep it top of mind that you're doing what you aligned on. You now know how to interact with your boss. Keeping these things core, COAR, to your job that you were hired to do will enhance the relationship with your boss. I know you are wondering, how will that help me get there faster? For your bonus hack this week, you have to convert this into equity. You are going to use the core hacks again to get you what you want faster, whether that's a stretch assignment, promotion, or raise. So let's run through core again, except we're going to focus on what you want this time. So the C is for communicate. You have to communicate what you want. No one knows you want a promotion unless you say it. Your performance will not be enough. The O is for own it. Once your boss tells you what you need to do to get there faster, you have to own it. Regardless of what they may say, you have to align with your boss on what you have to deliver to get the stretch assignment, the raise, or the promotion. No more guessing, just a solid list and no ambiguity. The R is for receipts. Present the receipts that you aligned on so when it's time for you to move or get the bag, there are no more dangling carrots, objections, or reasons why you can't get there faster. Now you may ask, what if they extend the finish line? Let us know if you want to hear more about that in another episode and we'll be sure to deliver it. You have to do the job that they expect you to do, then communicate that you did that job well. Then simultaneously use CORE, C-O-A-R, to get what you want faster. No need to wait years of doing the job exceptionally well without communicating what you want. Start early and do them concurrently. So instead of tension, resentment, frustration, performance management, you get support, champion, sponsor, biggest fan. I love you.